Well guys and girls, it's Usernamekate. Today I am out with the one and only Username Dad. It's been a while and you guys have been crying out for more content with the one and only Top G. So we're on a little mission today to head to Sports Bike Shop because Dad is really interested in a Klim, if you're American, Klim if you're British, Marrakesh jacket. So we're going for a little ride. Gonna see if we can haggle him some discount. Fingers crossed. So yeah, if you want to come along with us for the ride, then keep watching. Right, Dad needs some fuel. So since he needs fuel and I am on a full tank, we'll go and get some. So today Dad's on his own bike, which is the R1250GS, the one that I sold him. Can't believe I managed to get the reg plate to say UNK, like Usernamekate. That was such a stroke of fate when that reg plate became available. But yeah, the plan I think is to just blast up the motorway, go there, and then come back on the lovely A roads. Yeah, sorry, so as I was saying, Dad is on the BMW R1250GS and I am on the Triumph Street Triple 765R. Now, I've been riding this bike for a bit of time and I really like it, really enjoy it. I feel like I'm probably more of an RS girl because I like that extra 10 horsepower. I like how it just feels more aggressive, especially with the more kicked up back end and the bar and mirrors. Yeah, BP. So if you're wondering why Dad's not combed up, this was a very spur of the moment ride this morning. Yeah, it should be nice. Father and daughter day out. It's not often we get them on the bikes. I know you think, you know, doing what I do for a job, we'd be out all the time, but I guess the sad reality of it is even though this man in front is retired, he is ridiculously busy and I am also ridiculously busy. So it's nice to, I mean, don't get me wrong, I see him a lot. I always make time for my family, but yeah, we don't get out on bikes as often as you probably think we should. I think that's fair to say. We can go this way? Can we? Is Dad teaching me a shortcut that I never knew? If he is, I will be shocked. Oh my gosh. How have I not even clicked? You guys know I absolutely thrive off a good shortcut. Thrive off it, live for it. Petrol prices 1.9 for the petroleum. Oh, a nice Porsche. Porsche. I'm full. Huh? I'm full. Look at that, Usernamekate on the top box. Always repping. And the Edelweiss flower next to it is because kind of a family holiday of ours was we go to Germany and Austria a lot, and we'd go to the Alps and you guys will probably know that the Edelweiss, or I may not know, that the Edelweiss is kind of like the flower of the alpine wilderness. Hey Cardo, volume down. Hey Cardo, volume down.
Head northwest, then turn right.
Huh?
You like it?
Yes, it's good. It's not.
Or the KTM?
How can you make me pick? How can you make me pick?
Take the next right.
Yeah, I'm mega torn. I'm so torn, guys. Whether, like, with what I prefer. Yeah, it's very hard to say what I prefer because they both got such great qualities about them, like the KTM 890 engine and this one as well. I mean, on the R we are 10 brake horsepower down on the RS, but we're not far off the 890R in terms of power. But one of the problems is, you know, we've got a lot more torque with the KTM. We've got 99 Newton meters of torque. But no, I think that the sport mode on the KTM feels far more aggressive and punchy than this sport mode. But again, it's not a real fair comparison because really, I think you should probably compare the 890R with the Street Triple RS. It is really nice that Triumph put heated grips on this bike. They put them on the RS that I had as well in the past. And yeah, a lot of like manufacturers don't really put the heated grips on if they're an optional extra. Oh, I tell you what, wearing this mesh jacket was a great idea. I like the colour of that BMW in front. It's almost like a brushed steel look. It's very busy today. There's lots of traffic on the road.
taking me then.
You got us here?
Huh? You're there. Never been here.
Nope. Never been here. Went to the side of you so I could get some cool footage.
Alright, I've got your gloves.
What?
I've got your gloves.
Oh, I was just going to leave him.
I don't trust anybody.
What?
I don't trust anybody. Please stop.
So guys, crisis averted. Dad basically thought that he reserved it online, but apparently you have to select what you want, go through as if you're like going to the basket, and then input your mobile number and email in order to actually reserve something for next day. But he didn't quite complete it, so we've got here and the Marrakesh wasn't there. But thankfully somebody had ordered the Marrakesh earlier on and didn't go for it, so they went in the back, found his size, and crisis averted. So yeah, he's a happy dad, he's a happy UND, he's got his Marrakesh jacket, which saved me some earache on the way back. Yeah.
Follow you on YouTube.
Oh dear. Oh, nice one.
I came in to see you and then I recognised your dad because I seen him take delivery of that.
Ah, no way. Oh, thank you. What's your name?
You're not working at Williams's now?
No. Yeah, full time since last February.
Yeah, good.
So giving it a go anyway.
Good, yeah.
So yeah, it's going well. It's just a lot of work. I think people think you just doss around, but there's so much editing that goes into it. But it's worth it, so I can't grumble.
Right, well, have a safe
Super. Oh, thanks for saying hi. You too. See you later, guys. Oh, I think I've tweaked my neck. Huh? Have you got the map on or not? Or do you want me to just...
Where do you want me to put it? So further off?
So, crisis averted. Crisis averted at a sports bike shop. Basically, they have a...
Next left onto Regent Street, A61.
Basically, they have a system which...
Quarter of a mile, roundabout, take the first exit onto Sheepscott Street South, A61.
Basically, they have a system which, to us millennials, to people my age, probably be alright, but when you get somebody like Dad, apparently lots of people make the mistake on the sports bike shop reserve thing. They don't fully complete the reservation because they don't get to the point where they put their mobile number and email address in. So if you are reserving anything from sports bike shop, please make sure that you've got all the way to inputting your details, else it won't be reserved, as we found out today. It was just a stroke of luck that some other person had ordered a large and an extra large because they didn't know what size, but then they decided they weren't going to have it for whatever reason, so then the lady went in the back, got the 2 sizes out, and he ended up getting the jacket that he wanted. So we've got a happy ending here, which is good. Although one of the not so happy endings is I've tweaked my neck a bit, which sucks. So yes, happy ending eventually. But the staff were really helpful there, so no complaints. And yeah, we got what we wanted. No doubt this will be a much more comfortable ride for Dad in his Klim Marrakesh jacket as opposed to the big Klim chunker that he was wearing. I don't quite know what model it was. I think it's is it Badlands? Is it Badlands? Sometimes you got to give them a bit of a rev to wake them up. Oh, my neck's hurting so bad. This is not good. This is not good. Maybe it's all this riding naked bikes has screwed me up. So yeah, the plan now is to head towards Clitheroe Way, which is about an hour and a half, and hopefully find some fun roads on our travels. Dad's gonna shoot off home and I'm gonna continue riding and vlogging because I have to make hay while the sun shines. But yeah, this is a nice little town of Leeds. The Cat's Pyjamas. Wow. What a funky name. How's the...
Funky up here, isn't it?
What?
Quite funky up here.
Yeah. How's the jacket?
Nice.
You like it? Do you feel a lot cooler?
Very comfortable.
Good. Yeah, it looks smart. Yeah, so Dad actually tried on the extra large, which I'll put a clip somewhere around here of him wearing it, modelling it, giving us a twirl. He's a twirl. But in the end he actually went for the large because one, he has the intention of dieting, which I think we all do, and two, it fits snug but not like, he didn't look like an overpacked sausage, if that makes sense. So he doesn't think that he'll wear anything underneath it as such because it is like a summer jacket for days like this. So he's happy with his choice to go for the large. Oh bloody hell, his wheels are filthy. Look at that view. Just look how hazy it is, guys, if that gives you an indication of how muggy it is. Yeah, we got the thumbs up from Dad. He approves of the view. Yeah, that was pretty tasty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. But yeah, super nice to get out with Dad. Super nice. No drama, llama. They're so funny, llamas. They just look so bloody goofy. It's that sideways chew for me. Well, guys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed this little ride out with Pops. I know the roads haven't been all that gripping and awesome, but I'm just glad that I got out with him. It's been too long. It's been too long. And I'm glad it was a success and he ended up coming away with what he wanted. If you've enjoyed this video, tagging along on our shopping trip, then please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And until the next time guys, take care, look after each other and ride safe. Auf Wiedersehen.